seeing in these shallow areas is Lyngbya algae, and most of what is accumulating on the shoreline is dead or decomposing Lyngbya. Lyngbya is a blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. It's growing from the bottom of the bay. It grows kind of entangled with seagrass meadows, but can also attach to clams and things like that. And then it grows up into the water column, and from all the oxygen it produces, it floats to the surface, breaks free, and then it washes along the shoreline and accumulates on beaches. When it accumulates in large abundances on the beaches, it decomposes, and the bacteria that break it down will use up the oxygen in the water. And so when you smell that odor that smells a little bit like rotten eggs, that's due to the production of what's called hydrogen sulfide. That is produced after all the oxygen is used up. So if you smell the rotten egg odor, what that means is that your water's not going to have oxygen in it. And while if you're a big fish, you can swim away from it. If you're a small fish, or a shrimp, or a crab, or a sea urchin on the bottom of the bay, it's basically a death sentence. You're not going to be able to survive in the absence of oxygen. So the problems that we have with Lyngbya are it smothers seagrasses, and when it grows up, blows along with the wind, accumulates and decomposes in the shallow waters, it causes problems by reducing the oxygen level in the water.